Thutha wa ruhonge rwa ntsa gukinyaniria itua ria gukanja marua ma Sacco ya Ongata Line, ene Sacco eno ni magite kuiganira na itua riri. Kugerera wakiri wao Peter Omingo marenda metikirie gutwarithia na mbere wonjoria wao o magitagirira ciira wegie mutino uyu wa muthenya wa kiumia uthikiririo na utuo.
Irrespective of the unfortunate incident, is it proper to let these families suffer? Because that is the only source of income. I'm willing to accommodate my colleagues for a date next week. If we could in some sort come to an understanding that my clients be allowed to operate, within which time we can put in proper responses, they can put in a solid defense if needed.
No riendekithia riri ni rireganitwo naryo ni wakiri uri urugamirire aikari a Rongai na matora maria marigiceirie.
The remarks by the appellant put us in a very difficult position to argue that they need temporary relief because the clients are suffering. Invites us to argue that grant of such relief, which I imagine would be setting aside of the order by the NTSA, would imperil members of the interested parties. The interested parties are groups of residents, consumers of the services of the appellant.
Umwe wa maafitha a Sacco ino arauga ngari iyo ya kuruhanirio na mutino uyu ndiari rungu rwao na agokirira NTSA ni kumetikiria itwarithie na mbere biashara ya ukuui wa muingi thenge yao kumandikira marua makimamenyithia ati ni imwe ya ngari iria iragarara watho. Ene Sacco ino no mathite na mbere gwitetera makiuga makiria ma ene ngari 90 aria marari rungu rwa Sacco ino no hathara maratara. Akiregana na uhoro uyu wakiri wa ntsa Charles Agwara augite watho ni umetikiritie kuingira Sacco-ini ingi. Mutino uyu uria wacungiririe ikuo cia andu ana ni uguciriirie makaya kuma miena itiganite maria ni hamwe na mirurungano ya aikari a Rongai na arutwo a University ya Multimedia iria iri mwena ucio. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.